Signings. Yeah. Let's talk about signings. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Make sure if you're brand new, please drop a like on the video. Subscribe if you're brand new. Even if you're brand new, make sure you like the video as well. Want spread it across the universe. But remember, if you're brand new, please drop a subscribe. Send it to your friends and families. Let everybody know the fourth official is here. We're back to the start of the Premier League. Let's talk about the top 4 signings this season and probably what they're gonna do towards the end of the season. But referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. All right. First, let's talk about Manchester City and these lads. First 2 signings they made this season so far, and probably more will be coming because they had a lot of people leaving this season last season. So let's see what will happen throughout the rest of the transfer market. But first, Kovacic. What the fuck was that? What the fuck was actually Kovacic leaving Chelsea to go to Manchester City? Yes, they fill a gap with Gondowan leaving, but where does he fit in this team? I can't tell you. He carries the ball well, yes, but doesn't look good in a Manchester City jersey. It does not look good in a Manchester City jersey. I cannot see him playing intricate passes with Rodri. It does, and then with De Bruyne being injured, I cannot see him doing stuff for Manchester City. The only positive in that move is that Chelsea lose a player they didn't want for 40 and maybe 30 million. I don't know, but it doesn't make sense. No sense at all. But hey, listen, Chelsea win. And I think that is going to be a bad pick for Manchester City. Probably their first pick for a while since Pep Guardiola got there. Who knows? We will see, but I don't think that is a decent fit for Manchester City. Don't see it. Guardiola, whatever him one name. No, we only seen him in the Super Cup yesterday. We saw him a little bit in the Premier League outing. We know he's gonna pull grass up in the Premier League because he's a very good defender. That's why they paid 90 million for him. But he didn't do well yesterday. That goal where Al Nassr scored against him, caught sleeping. I don't know if I mean, he's a great defender from RP Leipzig. He's going to need time. He's going to need time. But again, Pep Guardiola want him. Pep Guardiola got him. Pep Guardiola got him. So we will see. No, with De Bruyne being injured for 4 months, what's going to happen to this Manchester City team? I don't know. Because let's be honest, all those tappings that they got last year with De Bruyne swinging it across the pitch and him just standing there and getting in the goal, that's not going to happen for the next 4 months. Can Grealish step up? Can Foden step up? Can Kovacic step up? I don't know, fam. I do not know. Because remember, Gondowan is gone. Bernardo Silva, he just signed a new contract. Maybe he can step up as well. He's not very productive in the last 2 years. I don't know what's going to happen to Manchester City. It's going to be a tough season for Manchester City in terms of getting that fourth championship. I don't know, fam. But we've seen it all with Pep Guardiola. He can do it. Anyone can do it. No, Pep can do it. And then these Arsenal. Arsenal fans kept talking about, oh, we won the league because we spent most of the time in the top of the league last year, so we should be given the championship. Bullshit. You can't rearrange the rules of the game because you capitulate last year. Well, let's talk about this year. Let's talk about the signs that you had. Declan Rice, brilliant sign. Absolutely brilliant sign. As a 6. Will he play as a 6 throughout the season? I don't know. It's yet to be seen. But absolutely brilliant signing. He's going to lift up grasses at Arsenal and the Premier League as well, because we never seen Declan Rice playing in a team that dominates the ball. When they played for West Ham, he's just always chasing and defending. Now he's going to be dominating the football, keeping the football, winning back the football. Let's see how Declan Rice plays with Arsenal in that team. Yes, Party behind him. Party played that right back last year and coming in the midfield to invert a little bit. Let's see how that carry responds throughout the rest of the season. Might work, might not. Who knows? But all in all, it's too early to give a decent rating of what Arsenal team will look like throughout the rest of the season. They are going to be up there. They won't be challenging for the title. Don't get me wrong, they won't be, but they should be still be up there. I'm not going to lie. Havertz, Kai Bomboclad Havertz. I don't know why they bought Kai Havertz. I don't know. Maybe because they feel Chelsea need to be stay in the league. Maybe they need to give Chelsea some money so they can get rid of FFP issues, because that's 65 mil for Havertz. Complete and total bullshit. I don't know why. I don't know. I don't know why. You know why? He does nothing. What's his best position? You ask Arteta, he can't tell you. You ask Havertz what's his best position, he can't tell you. He plays at 8, he plays at 9, he plays a winger at Chelsea. No, they're setting him as a number 8. Oh no, he's in forward 9, because I don't know where he's playing. But either way, regardless of where he play, he's been shit and he still is shit and he will always be shit. Why them spend 65 million on Kai Havertz? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. But I am here for it. I am here for every meme, every tweet, re-like, retweet, double tap, everything for that man, because I am going to tell you right now, he will be shit the entire season. The entire season. Now, I'm going to lift my hand up and say, good job in signing Aaron Timber. That is a decent baller. Now, I'm going to be the rival and say, look at what you guys did to Aaron Timber. Aaron Timber played right centre back and probably right back sometimes at Ajax. You man bring him to Arsenal and turn him on left back. Turn the man on left back. And before you know it, one twist, one turn, him ACL mash up. And I'm going to go there and guess and say, I better say I'm left foot ACL mash up. Now the man out for the season. You just buy him last week, him out for the season. What are you doing? The man's a right back. The man's a right centre back. Or probably a right back. Why you buy him? Why you have him at left back? So same thing Martinez last year, you try to get him to play a left back. Martinez is a centre back. Sometimes he play in midfield and get tired last year when he be at Ajax. See when he play for Manchester United, centre back. He doesn't want to play right back, a left back. Listen, I'm sorry to hear that he's injured. I'm sorry to see that he's probably out first of the year. But Arteta, you cause that for yourself, fam. You cause that on yourself. Cause that on yourself. You have tyranny. Play the man. Do your thing, Arsenal. Do your thing. You gotta try to make it 9 top 4 this year. Do your thing. Do your blowout thing. Manchester United. Mason fucking Mount. What the fuck was that? Why is Manchester United chased down and got Mason Mount? I know Ten Hag wants to play a system where he has 1 number 6 and 2 number 8s. One who can attack and defend at the same time. But that last game that we played with Mason Mount and Bruno Fernandes together with Casemiro in the defense, complete and utter shit, fam. Complete and utter shit. I don't know, fam. We need to go out there and spend the money for Amrabat and have Amrabat play in the center midfield with Casemiro. Because honestly, Mason Mount and Bruno Fernandes not going to work. Mason Mount, $60 million for what? Mason Mount is the only better version of Kai Havertz, right? So yes, Manchester United can take pride in the fact that we got the better version of Kai Havertz, but still a shit version nonetheless, fam. We need to go out there, get Amrabat or even grab him Birch. Because at the end of the day, if you're trying to play a system where you have 2 number 8s and 1 number 6, 1 and number 8, them have to be good. Bruno Fernandes will always be Bruno. Run it down, chase, make chances, by making crazy plays, making crazy passes. Yes, we see that. But for Bruno Fernandes, for Mason Mount, all he has is energy. We can't depend on that when it comes to the defensive side of the team. Ten Hag, you saw something that I have not seen it. I am giving him every benefit of the doubt, but he needs to get going and get going right away. Right a fucking way. Onana, for me, Manchester United's best size in this season. He's going to be transformative in the defense. He's going to be holding onto the ball, making intricate passes, left, right, through the middle, passes to the attacking line. He's going to get about 3 or 4 assists this season without a shadow of a doubt because he's that good. He's going to transform the way Manchester United play. No clout to, no disrespect to David De Gea, but believe me, he's going to change the way Manchester United play from back moving forward. So big up to Onana on that one. Holland. Listen, you have a whole lot ahead of you. You have sky is the limit for you and Manchester United and Manchester United fans. We are not hoping for you to come and score 20, 30 goals. If that happens, yes. But what we want is to see you play striking position and play it effectively. You don't have to score 15, 20 goals. But we need to see you score more than 2. Because last year we would have Martial and Wake Horse. Complete shit. So score more than 4, 5, 6, 10 goals, you're good in my book. You are good in my book. Show me your progression. Show me you can play football, actually play football. We not just want the speed. We want to see you actually play football. We saw a little bit at Atalanta. Now we need to see you play football for Manchester United. And last but not least, Newcastle. Fam. Newcastle, blood. These men are taking over the transfer market without a shadow of a doubt, fam. Signing of the season so far, Sandro Tonali. Sandro Tonali, fam. Jesus Christ, this man's going to be very, very good for Newcastle. He's going to take over the Premier League by storm. Barnes. Harvey Barnes. Yo. Fam, Newcastle is running in deep in silence. They're going to be killing people this season. I can't wait. I just want to get my 2 games against them out of the way. I want to beat them up by 2 games in Manchester because they're going to run racket this season. Will they up my top 4 again? Definitely. With the players that they had last year, plus the additions that they had, they're going to be up there without a shadow of a doubt. Fam. So people, thank you guys for watching. This has been the top 4 transfer market review. Hopefully, we can come with the 5th and 6th place in next round. I mean, it's 5th and 6th place, you know. It's Liverpool. Oh, yeah. It's Liverpool. I have something for them fuckers, fam. But maybe make sure you drop a like on the video, subscribe for brand new. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been the 4th official. Bless up yourself, bless up others. Manaz.